In this short video, I will be covering the basics of how to convert units efficiently. In preview, I will be introducing proper terminology when referring to the whole process of unit conversion, and we will work on sample problems together. It will be simple, I promise. Here are the few supplies you'll need to begin. A PLTW conversion table, a pen or pencil, and paper. Don't actually go get a stack of paper. One sheet will suffice. Let's jump into vocabulary. Equivalence relates the same amount or quantity in two different units. For example, 1 foot is equivalent to 12 inches and 5,280 feet is equivalent to a mile. Conversion ratios are proportions used to convert one unit or value into another. For example, 1 feet over 12 inches and 1 mile over 5,280 feet. Dimensional analysis, a systematic method of converting from a known unit to an unknown unit by manipulating conversion factors. This is a very significant term to keep in mind since we will be using this method to convert our units. Units. Different units are used to measure various types of quantities. For instance, centimeter measures length, kilogram measures mass, hour measures time, and etc. Metric system, a decimal system of weights and measures. As you can see below, there's a metric conversion chart, and it shows how significant the power of 10 is, since the power of 10 is used to convert from milli to centi to deci. English system, defined as the measurement system used in many countries, including the United States. It uses feet, pounds, and seconds, in contrast to the metric system. So we finally reached a point where we're going to apply dimensional analysis to solving our unit conversion problems. Let's start with the English conversion. Convert 4,248 inches to miles, rounding to nearest thousandths. Take note of the directions. It states the answer should be rounded to thousandths. So first of all, we figure out the equivalences that are needed, which is 12 inches equals a feet and 5,280 feet equals a mile. Then we set the conversion factors like so. The original or given units are written first, and then the equivalent statements. We want them written in a way so the unwanted units can cancel themselves out. As you can see, inches appears in the numerator and denominator, so after dividing, the units will disappear. Same goes for feet. Finally, you are only left with your desired unit, which is miles. You can now combine all the numbers into a single fraction. Now, simplify the fraction into your calculator. Ta-da! 0.067 miles is your answer. Now that wasn't too bad, right? Let's try a metric conversion now. Convert 47 centigrams to kilograms. Round to the nearest 10 thousandths. Don't be fooled. This time the answer needs to be rounded to the 10 thousandths. As we did before, we must determine the equivalences, essential for this conversion. We continue to set up the conversion factors in a way where the given unit can somehow cancel out and leave us with our desired units. Your simplified fraction should be 0.0005 kilograms. Okay, the next one might be a little tricky, however, if you follow along, it's perfectly manageable. This is from the other two problems we did, since this one deals with simultaneously converting two given units into another two desired units. Convert 10 kilometers per second to miles per hour, rounding to nearest thousands. We are back to rounding our final answers to thousands. Here are the equivalences we need to link the units to each other. 0.621 miles equals a kilometer, 60 seconds equals a minute, and 60 minutes equals an hour. We set up our conversion factors ideal to the dimensional analysis, like the previous two problems. After all the calculations, you will reach an answer approximately 22,356 miles per hour. So here's our final problem, a word problem. Some people freak out when they encounter a word problem, but it's very easy to solve once you extract only the important parts of it. I'll put emphasis on the information we need. 15,000 liters per hour and gallons per minute. This is another rate conversion if you haven't noticed. We set the information into dimensional analysis format and have the units, liters, and hours cancel out. The answer you should have come up with is 66 gallons per minute. I hope this video helps and convinces you that dimensional analysis is the ultimate method for unit conversion. Replay and practice it a couple of times to get a hang of it. Bye.